Course Plus. Expressway to elegant career.
5 steps to get your professional life organized. In this presentation, you'll learn tips for getting your professional life organized to reduce information overload. If you're frequently overwhelmed by your workload and information overload, you can conquer this by getting your professional life organized. You'll need to start by looking at the areas of your work life that need to be organized and tackle them one at a time. Step 1. Organize yourself. It can be extremely easy for you to lose focus and spend too much time on things that are urgent but not significant. One of the most crucial time management secrets is to do the right thing first. The trick is to stay focused on the essential tasks and not waste your precious time on anything else. Step 2. Organize your desk. Every day you have more and more information thrown at you. Between new mail, reports, invoices, proposals, and everything else that hits your desk throughout the day, it can quickly pile up. This results in essential things getting lost, and in you spending too much time working on tasks that are merely urgent instead of working on tasks that are important. Step 3. Organize your storage. As you organize your desk, start thinking about your file systems. Consider whether you need to keep a traditional filing system in place, or if you can convert your papers electronically to store on your computer. Whichever method you choose to follow, make sure that every new document that lands on your desk is quickly filed in the appropriate place. You may want to schedule time at the end of your day to go through all your paperwork and file accordingly. Step 4. Organize your cubicle office. This goes beyond organizing your desk. It doesn't matter if you have a large corner office or a windowless cubicle. There are ways you can organize your office that will help you become more productive. One easy way to help you with your productivity is to pick furniture that works for you. Step 5. Organize incoming information. Along with making sure that you organize incoming paper, you have to organize your electronic communications. Most email programs have built-in tools that allow you to manage your email and reduce electronic clutter. Once you've set up your email filing system, immediately file new emails into the appropriate folder. Consider each email and decide if you can delete it or if you need to keep it for easy access. Getting and keeping your office space organized can significantly help with information overload. Many experts agree that a cluttered desk is indicative of a cluttered mind.